Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be doing my eye makeup and I'm just going to use this single angled brush for blending and everything, and the palette that I'm using is from Glamourous Face, which I must say is really good. So why not start the makeup? Let's go. So guys, I have created this look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching my video. If yes, then like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.